NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are the latest buzzword in the world of cryptocurrency and digital ownership. Essentially, an NFT is a unique digital asset that is verified using blockchain technology, making it one of a kind and impossible to duplicate or counterfeit. This has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for artists, musicians, gamers, and other creatives, who can now sell and trade their digital creations with ease. So, why are NFTs so popular? For starters, they allow creators to monetize their work in a way that was previously impossible. Artists can now sell their digital art for thousands, or even millions, of dollars, and musicians can sell digital copies of their music that come with exclusive perks like backstage passes or VIP access to shows. This has also led to a rise in collectibles, such as trading cards, virtual real estate, and even virtual sneakers. Another reason for the popularity of NFTs is the sense of ownership they provide. Unlike traditional digital files, which can be easily shared and distributed without permission, NFTs are unique and verifiable, meaning that the owner has complete control over their digital asset. This has led to a new sense of value and scarcity, as people are willing to pay large sums of money for something that they can truly call their own. Of course, like any new technology, there are also some drawbacks to NFTs. Some critics argue that the market is currently overvalued and could be a bubble waiting to burst. Others have raised concerns about the environmental impact of NFTs, as the energy required to mine and verify blockchain transactions can be significant. Despite these concerns, NFTs are quickly becoming a major player in the world of digital ownership. As more and more creators and collectors flock to the market, it's clear that NFTs are here to stay. Whether they will truly become the future of digital ownership remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: they are changing the game in a big way. In conclusion, NFTs are a revolutionary technology that allows for the unique and secure ownership of digital assets. They have already gained significant traction in the art world and are beginning to make an impact in other industries such as gaming and music. While there are still uncertainties and challenges surrounding NFTs, it is clear that they have the potential to change the way we think about ownership and value in the digital world. As the technology continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how NFTs are adopted and utilized in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest trends and developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.